This is the recap that has a lot of purposeful kits. People need to use purpose play. I finished ventilating in the fixed method, which is where you draft out your shapes and then you ventilate just to fill it in. Then I combed it out. I'm sure it's not only me that's saying this. I can see the resemblance. I can see it. I went ahead to put it inside to dip it in hot water, not deep. I cooked it. I boiled this. The water was boiling. I stir, cook, stir, fry. Make sure it gets to a boil. Just joking. But the water was pretty hot though. Then I stir it for a while. Give it a moment to, cook. Yeah, that's my baby. Then I added some seasoning and perfume for smell, for good scent. Then I stir again. Make sure it's all gets in that. The whole magic and what am I saying? Then I brought it out after about 2 minutes and look at this. It's giving clean. It's giving cleanliness is next to godliness. It's giving soft. It's giving, are you human hair? No, I am sincere. Should I hang it here? That zinc is too dirty. I can't hang it on that zinc. So I said, okay, let me look for somewhere else to keep it. I went ahead to comb it out a little bit just to bring out the cords that I don't need. Then I found a place to hang it and I'm like, yes, this nail looks perfect. Yeah, this innocent nail. So I went to look for peg or whatever. And there she is on top of the freaking wall. Held by such a beautiful peg. I will allow her sit there for 30 minutes until whenever she dries. Okay, bye. Hola amigo. She dried up and then I went ahead to start braiding. I've gone quarter. So let me show you my braiding procedure. Like I was saying, I made the ventilation of this hair in a fixed with a fixed technique. That's what I like to call it. I like to differentiate it as fixed and freehand. Freehand is that which you ventilate the entire hair and then you go ahead to part it to your desired shape, while the fixed technique is when you make the exact shape you want it to be and then you just braid. I just applied some Vaseline and edge control for firm hold, and so the hair strands won't go into the next line. And then I start the braiding procedure. See, that's so simple. I'll allow you watch and then maybe I'll explain along the way what I'm doing. I like to add my first feeding braiding hair extension at the root. So I think it makes the hair last longer. I think so. My personal opinion. And then the way you braid this hair, you don't braid it like you're braiding human hair, where you hold it, you grip it so tight or maybe firm enough from the root. Let me show you guys now. After taking the next feeding, I'm holding it tight now. I hold it tight, but at this point, I release my hand. I release the grip. My neighbors are shouting. No problem, we'll be rich. I'm not having neighbors. I hold it tight and then here, I release my grip. So the net shape is not going to, squeeze into each other. Then sorry, I had to tell the kid that was making so much noise with their whatever. So just give me a little minute that I am recording. So I try to hide the dark hair. Like if this was a human hair or human head, you try to hide the natural hair behind the braiding hair. So at this point, we don't see the braiding hair anymore. We don't see the human hair anymore. In this case, we don't see my attachments, my human hair attachments anymore. Guys, I can't do voiceover without just laughing. I'll just start saying rubbish. I don't know why I'm like that. Oh boy, I'm trying to be all professional. I'm trying to be professional. Why is this girl? Why is this girl? This is my camera woman girl. Why is she always moving her hand everywhere? Like, stay on the picture. I'm braiding. This is the moment of truth. They just keep braiding and keep braiding and keep braiding. Keep braiding, baby. Yeah, I'm braiding. I'm braiding. Yeah, I love braiding. It give me joy when I braid. Give me joy when I braid your hair, nigga. Jesus. When I braid your hair, then I did not show. I added a little bit of, braiding attachment, braiding hair, because I wanted it to be a little bit longer. Then let me show you guys what I did here. For those of you that don't know, I moved some hair from the one that I felt was thicker and added the one that was a little bit like feeling thin in my hand. So to make the shape still correspond and the sizes to still be equal. And then I left this amount of braiding hair at the bottom to just twist it up. Because ain't nobody finna braid to the end. Ain't nobody finna braid to the end. Nah. I ain't finna braid to the end. I'm gonna twist it up. Omoluchi, try to be professional now. Why be like bicycle with this for? Yeah, I was just twisting it up, twisting it. Oh, mommy. So this is it. So my peacock hair. See my bob. I'm using bob in the middle of the day. Let me just finish braiding off camera because like my phone wants to die. You see, it died, and this is 9th. Sorry for the lighting. I want to show you guys how to properly make that Bantu knot. I'm seeing a lot of things online. I don't understand. This is how you do it. Wrap the first one, wrap the second, and then push the wrapped hair downwards a little bit to the end, and then you continue wrapping freely. You continue wrapping tightly, freely that way. When you finish wrapping to the size you want your Bantu knot to be, you just wrap the excess hair into the one you've wrapped for. Like, just watch this. Very easy. You just go downwards and wrap the extra hair. A baby is crying. Let's do as if we don't hear. And wrap it down, and just roll it up in your arms like this. Voila! Let's just watch it again while I keep quiet. Hi, it's me again. I cannot keep quiet. Then after that, I went ahead to trim the flyaways on the hair. Not just the Bantu, the entire braid. I just trimmed it off. Now to our next step, I sealed again with flames just to make sure it is very, very secure and the knots don't come undone. I did not show this video, but after this I dipped the hair in hot water again and ventilated some edges on some baby hairs on it, and this is the final result. I'm not trespassing anybody. I'm showcasing my business. This is my side. This is my front. You guys, please ignore how dense my wig is. This is my back. Look at me. Look at my back. This is my front again. This is my middle. Oh my gosh. And bye. Love you. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.